Hey, it's Fizz with another Free Fun Friday. We've done a Free Fun Friday of the Discover card before, but I figure it's time for another showcase. The Discover card is an absolutely amazing card for those of you that are trying out credit card churning or credit card hacking for the first time, or if you're still a bit of a beginner at this. Basically, you get $100 as soon as you use the card. That's right. Get a $100 statement credit. Apply from this page, and if approved, use your card in the first 3 months. No minimum spend requirements, nada. Then, you and your friend will each get $100 statement credit. That's $100 for you, $100 for me. You get free money, I get free money, we all win, the channel stays funded, and I get to continue doing more of this for you guys. Sounds awesome, right? Anyway, on top of all of that, there is a cashback match. The card gets 5% in rotating quarterly categories, things like grocery stores, gas stations, restaurants. However, it also gets 1% cash back everywhere else. So, for the first year, that 1% cash back gets doubled to 2%. Those 5% rotating categories get doubled to 10% rotating categories. Isn't that amazing? Anyway, sign up and get the card. You better hurry though. Capital One has bought out Discover, so who knows how long this card will still be available. Don't miss your chance to get $100 or more free, and don't forget to subscribe for even more free fun.